Hello everyone, welcome to the weekly forecast on gold. All my links are in the video description below. Go check them out if you haven't already. So we're just going to go over last week because we had this big upwards move and I just want to go over how we looked at it. So I had a bearish bias. I was looking to get into the sell most days, as a lot of people were. Some people got the bullish bias, well done to you, but then also a lot of people got burnt trying to sell. Now, it's all about how you manage your risk, really. So this was Monday. So we started to sell from here, took a stop loss hit. We sold from here and then recovered that stop loss hit and then finished for the day. Next day, we was going for a sell. So took a sell from here. I think that was break even. Then a sell from here. That was a nice bit of profit, which came to the first bullish support area. Then we went into the next day and we saw this continuation up from here. So we got into that bullish move. That was a nice bit of profit. Next day, we took a sell here and it just went sideways for the day. So that was no real profit that day. It was a break-even day. Then after identifying this, we was expecting price to continue up. So that was a nice bullish move after seeing that bullish confirmation. When you don't see the bearish setups, you then favour the continuation up. So some people got this bullish move, some people didn't. Then we went into Friday and once again we tried the bearish move, which was this trade here. Went down, went to the first bullish support, and some people even got this continuation up following other groups. So this ended in small profit and then got taken out at break even. But the important thing I want to go over here is it's not about who's right or wrong. It's about how you manage your risk. As you can see, I was bearish for most of the week. So I was completely wrong. But I still ended in profit because I managed the risk and just watched the confirmations at certain times. So it's about how you're trading, not about if you're right or wrong. Anyone can just press a button and just follow one direction if it's going in one direction. Anyway, now let's get that out of the way. Let's go to the higher time frame, and the weekly forecast for this week is quite simple. So go to daily. As you can see, you've got a big bullish move up. So this area here is your last potential reversal area. So if, let's say that they expect everyone to think we're targeting the all-time high now, this would be the reversal area. So this would be the high time frame breaker, and it would be the bearish, where the bearish pressure comes from. And as you can see here, you've got that big impulse move down candle straight from this consolidation. So you would be looking for a reversal in this area. And that's not me just saying, okay, I'm looking for another bearish move to get the reversal. The reasoning, because if it is bullish, then you'll be looking for a retracement back to this sort of area, then a continuation up. So even if it's bullish, you are expecting that retracement. This is your breaker that got respected here. So that is a nice key area. If we go back to the daily time frame, we could move this liquidity line and place it there. So that is taking liquidity from there. So retesting a potential resistance, taking liquidity from here, and we also have liquidity left behind on this big upwards movement. So if we are bullish, that's what you're expecting. So that is why I am favouring a bearish movement once again at the start of the week. Now let's say, back to the daily time frame, let's say we are still following what I said last week, that price is coming down to this area, taking this liquidity and then turning towards the upside, because we all know on the long term gold is bullish. Then that would mean if we do get this bearish move from here, then it's likely to make a bigger move down, hit that area, take this liquidity, retest this manipulation area, then get a big move to the upside. So it makes sense to go for that bearish move, because in both scenarios you have you are expecting a bearish move next. And especially because last week we had that whole big move towards the upside. We went from the weekly opening price here, so that leaves behind liquidity there, and it just continued towards the upside all week long. So all they were doing is just layering up those buy positions. They wasn't taking any real liquidity from below. So going into next week, that would be the main aim, is just to give some sort of retracement, to take liquidity from these lows here. So that is what I'd be looking for. We've taken the main liquidity there, we've hit the main resistance, and now we'd be looking to take at least this liquidity here. So a nice move down, let's say 70, 80, an $85 move to the downside I will be looking for today, and that will be a nice chunk of profit if we can get into that move. Now I'll be doing a video every day this week on YouTube, and that'll just be either a recap video going over the price action of the day and how you read it, or it will be a nice little forecast video giving you some explanation on what to expect next and why we are expecting it. And I might even do some material on US 30. So that'll be every day on this YouTube channel. And then obviously in the VIP service, I will update you throughout the day as it happens and what we're trading. And then on the free channel, you get the links for the YouTube videos earlier, and then you get like a midweek update through the week. So all those links are in the video description. Let's go back to the daily time frame, and we'll just label that up. So we're dragging that along there, and that will have a line like that. So that's for the bullish outcome. And if you don't get movement there, then you like to get downwards move, then a reversal like that. So that is the weekly forecast right there, and that's likely to take place over the next few weeks. So hopefully we can get that bearish move down to here this week, and that will be a good target for the week. Message me if you've got any questions. Links are in the video description. Take care, have a good day, and goodbye.